Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'll be teaching you how to build a powerful website that's going to earn you money. So stick around while I show you how to do that on my system.
Hi guys, welcome to my channel today. Our course today is mastering web design, creating impactful and user-centered website. So I'm going to be teaching you guys how to create a website from scratch and then how to source for your domain name, how to get the domain name, and how to get your hosting platform too. So we start with a question which is you knowing what you are actually getting into. Before you start creating a website, you need to know what a website is. So in this tutorial, I'm going to break it down for you guys to know what you're actually going into. So first we start with what is a website? That is the question. A website is the process of crafting how a website looks and works. It's like setting up a digital home or office online where people can visit to learn about you or your businesses. You can also have products that you sell online so people can be able to see it and patronize you. That is the reason why you create a website. And with that further ado, let's dive in more enlightenment on what you need to know before you can be able to design and create a beautiful website that you have in mind. So how to start creating a website? First, you need to know your goals. You ask yourself, why do I need this website? A lot of people need websites because they want to showcase what they sell online. They want to set up their sales funnel, so they can be able to patronize them. A lot of people want to showcase their businesses, like a business website. Like a lawyer wants to put up a website to allow people that don't want to come to the office to be able to visit their website and then book an appointment and do whatever they want to do online. So you need to ask yourself, what kind of website do you need before you can think of starting the journey of creating your website. Is it to sell something or to promote your businesses or to share information? They have blog websites that you share information, you share news. They have entertainment websites that entertainment websites is equally like a blog website that you share information or you share gossip about celebrities and all those things. So secondly, before you dive in creating a website, you need to get a domain name. A domain name, it's like your website name, like an address where you can enter on your phone or your PC that showcase the actual website, like a business name. Like the domain name of Facebook, your regular place that you visit is www.facebook.com. So that is an example of a domain name. And then the third thing you need before creating your website, you need to buy hosting. So this hosting is like you renting a space on the internet. Like you're looking for an office space and you go to a building and then you saw a space in that building and you rented it out. That's you renting a space on the internet, where you can be able to store all the files on your website, your images, your videos, your informations, your designs. The hosting helps you store all those things. It's like a storage home for your website. So the fourth thing you need to do is you start building your website. And they have a lot of tools that you can use to build your website. They have Wordpress, they have Wix, they have Shopify. They have a lot of tools that you can use to build your website. But my favorite tools to use is Wordpress. So in this video, I'm going to be teaching you guys how to start your website creation journey from scratch. I'm going to be giving this tip step by step on how to create your website. Even though you don't know how to do that from anywhere, you can learn how to create your website with this my video. So I encourage you guys to hit the subscribe button, share this video, and then turn on the notification bell in case I'm dropping another video, so you'll be aware of it, so you don't miss out from the tips and guidance I give out there for beginners to learn how to create a website. So let's jump in on the practical area, since I've given you guys a little enlightenment on how to start creating a website. So the first thing we need to do is to get a domain name and hosting. So the best place for us to get a domain name and hosting is zillionKinghost.com. I'm going to drop the link down on the description of this video, so you can be able to get your domain name and hosting at a cheaper rate. With my link below, they're going to give you a discount, so you can get the domain name and hosting on a discount rate just for this video. So now what you need to do is you enter the domain name that you have in mind. For now, this is my company's domain name. It's already active, so I'm going to use it for it. It's already active, so it's not going to display here. But if you are looking for a domain name, this is where you search for the name you have in mind to know if it's active. If it's not active, you will see this, it's unavailable. But if we remove this and put innovocore.org and search, you see this is available. The good thing with Zillion King is that you are not going to spend so much in getting your domain name and in getting your hosting plan. Down to the hosting plan, they have a shared hosting plan for as low as 400 naira. So that is really amazing for whoever is thinking of starting to create a beautiful website, either for your businesses or for your e-commerce or for your landing pages. Whatever you have the mind to build, Zillion King is here to help you. And after purchasing your domain name and hosting, you're going to receive an email telling you that your transaction is successful, and then sending you the information you need for you to log into your cPanel. So this is a cPanel here. This is called a cPanel. This is called a cPanel, where you have all your documents that you can be able to use to begin your website creation. So after purchasing from this place, they're going to send you an email. They're going to send you an email containing the information that you're going to use to log in your cPanel. But if you're having difficulties with that, I'm going to be available to help anyone that is having difficulties in logging in their cPanel or trying to purchase domain name and hosting. I'm going to be available to help you guys out, because it's not really easy the way you think. A lot of people will find it very complicating to do. So that is why I'm making this video, and I'm trying to help you guys know that I'm going to be available to assist you if you're having any issues. So I'm going to drop my number down on the description, so you can text me and tell me where you are facing challenges. So I will be happy to help you guys, no matter what. Nobody's perfect, so we are all learning in this world. So I'm open to help anybody that's having difficulties. So feel free to check in. So when you have your cPanel, you need to set up everything you need. Like, this is your email session, this is your email account. You getting a new cPanel, you don't have any email account, so you need to create email. This is your folder, this is your email routing, this is your autoresponder, this is your default address, this is your track delivery. So this is all about email. This is your file manager where everything is being stored. So, but I'm going to come back to the file manager area on my next video and then teach you how you can be able to use this file manager. But the main focus that we have here is to have a domain name and get a WordPress account, so we can be able to create a wonderful website that we have in mind. So first thing you need to do is to go to your domain. For those people that is buying a new domain from Zillion King, you don't have to go to domain, but because I have a domain already and I have a website on it, so we are going to use what we call a subdomain. So I have to go to my domain. So I go to my domain. So this is my main domain. This is a subdomain I created, but I'm going to create a new one now for this video. So I'll create a domain with class innovocore.com.ng. innovocore.com.ng. So I click on submit and create. Now you can see that you have successfully created the domain name here with the document root of home. It has created. So what we do is that we go back to return to domain, and for us to install WordPress on our domain, is this this app installer, this software installer. It's supposed to be called, this is software installer. So in the software installer, you see WordPress Manager by Softaculous. This is it. You can equally go from here. It's here in case you want to go very fast, but you can still go down to software and then this is the first thing you see. Or you go to Softaculous app installer. It's going to be there. But for it to be very fast for you, you just go here, click on it. So this is the website I've already installed WordPress on. So we are going to go on a fresh install. Click on it. So In this space, this is how to set up your WordPress. I already have this account on WordPress. So what I'm going to do is to select the domain name I want to install the WordPress on. So I select on class. In this directory, I don't want this domain name to be connected to this directory. So I will clear this directory. And you should know, in case you are creating your WordPress from scratch with your fresh domain, you need to remove this stuff that I just removed. You need to remove it because you don't need it to be on your website. You are creating a new fresh WordPress. You're installing a new fresh WordPress on your website, not a directory. So we go down to set your admin name, admin username. I'll leave my admin username to admin, and I'm going to pause the video, so I'll put my password. So I have my password, and the email is not actually necessary, but just leave it the way they give you the email. But if you have created email on the cPanel, you can copy the email and then paste here. So I think we are here, we're good. And then we'll go down to install. Click on install. It doesn't take time. It takes like 3 to 4 minutes to install. So boom, this is the I said, congratulations, your software was installed successfully. So WordPress has been installed successfully. So this is your front end of the website. So we'll right click on this. So this is how you're going to see your front end. This is the front end before you design. This is the front end of your website. And then if we go to the administrative URL, click on it and then open it up, so you can see how the back end is looking. This is your back end. This is your back end of the website. This is your WordPress back end. This is your WordPress back end. So if you go here and then copy this URL, and open a new browser. Let's say open a new browser and paste it here. You are going to see a different thing because they're going to tell you to log in into this back end. That is those password you constructed, the password you saw me constructed, pausing my video to construct. So I'm just going to fill it in. I'm just going to fill in my password. Oh my god. Okay. And I'm logged in on the back end. So this is how to install WordPress on your fresh domain. So in my next video, I'm going to teach you guys on how to access everything on this WordPress, how to start your creating of your desired design, and then how you can create a beautiful website, because our website is still looking very ugly. We need to beautify this to make it look sharp and slicky. So don't forget, guys, like, share, and subscribe. Sharing this video, it's going to help a lot of people that really don't have any idea on how to do this. and I will be grateful if you do share this video to people that don't know what they are doing on the internet space on how to create a website. They've been longing to know how to do that, but they don't really have the money to start up the tutorial. In this channel, I'm going to be giving out free tips on how to do that. So share this video, like, and subscribe. I love you guys. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In the last video, I told you guys that we're going to learn step by step on how to create a website. So we successfully installed WordPress into our website, and then now I'm going to explain the back end, which is here, and this is the front end. I hope you guys remember that. This is the front end and this is the back end of the WordPress. This is where you install things that you need. So first, this is our dashboard, like a home where you can go back, and this is post. This is post where you make all your posts. We click on it now, you're going to see a default post. A default post that is being made automatically after installing the WordPress. That should be this hello world here. This is the default post, but I don't know why it's I think my connection is kind of disturbing. Let me rectify that shortly. So sorry for the connection. We're back online. So this is the default post here. It's actually not important, because you can add a new post if you want to create a post. So out of the post, you have an add new post, you have categories, you have tags. I'm going to come back to this area when we are building our website. So down here you have your media, you have your library. This is where all the informations like the pictures and the video you upload on your website is going to be stored here. Now we have the pages. The pages, I'm going to show you an example of the pages on the website we have, so you will know what the pages are. Now this is a website. This is a 6-page website. So these are the pages. You have the home, you have the about, you have the portfolio, you have the contact, the service, and the shop. Those are the pages. All these 6 are the pages. So this is where you create these pages, and then you automatically turn them to menu. So the comment is, if you have a post on this, you can set up a comment, and then this is where you read your comment. So the appearance is where you get your themes, you customize your themes, you edit your themes, and your plugins. Your plugins, like you have a phone and you just bought a new phone, and the phone requires you to install WhatsApp, install Facebook, Instagram on it. This is actually what this plugin stands for. You can use it to install all the plugins you want to use on your website. The plugins that is going to make your website beautiful. That is what you need this plugin session to do. Now we come to users. If you want to give access to someone to be able to help you manage your WordPress. This is where you can do that. So you have tools, and this tools area is the essential area that you need. That's most of the themes that you will install on your WordPress. They require you to come to the tools area to import the demo content. I know you don't know what that means, but we're going to talk about that more further when we are going deep on this tutorial. So this is the settings area, the general settings, everything you need to be here. They have the general settings, they have the writing, they have the reading, they have the discussion, they have the media, they have the permalinks, and they have the privacy. So I'm going to show you guys everything that this does during creating your website, and I just want you guys to stick with me while we go in with this tutorial. And I also want to remind you guys to subscribe on my channel, like, and turn on the notification bell so you get notified whenever I'm dropping an interesting and educative videos like this. So we're going to learn how to install theme on this video. So all we need to do is to go to appearance. This is the appearance, and then click on where they say themes. So when you click on where they say themes, you get to see that the WordPress already have a default theme that comes with it. So this is 2025, this is 2024, this is 2024, this is 2023. But we really don't need all this. Sorry about that. We really don't need all this theme. So we're going to be adding a very cool and a wonderful theme that is going to enable us to do whatever we want to do seamlessly and fast. So we go to add theme. When you click on add theme, you're going to see a lot of themes here that you might consider using. You will see a lot of themes here that you would like to use, but we have a particular theme that we are supposed to use for our wonderful creation, and that theme is Astra theme. Astra theme is AXTRA. We already have it here, but if you don't have it on your own, you can search for it, Astra theme, and this is it. This is it. So on the theme, we'll click on install and activate. So the Astra theme is up. If we go back to this area and right click, so you're going to see that our front end has changed to a different design. This is how it's supposed to look like when you have a theme installed. Mind you, the theme you are installing is not to make the front end to look like what you're seeing here. No, it's like a default theme that's going to enable you build your website. It's going to give you all the features that this theme has. Build your website to look more classy and slicky. So this is how to install a theme for your website. So in the next video, I'm going to show you guys how to add plugins that is going to be compatible with this theme, and how to use templates on your website if you don't have time to create from scratch. I'm going to show you how to use templates, the template that is compatible for your website, the plugins that is going to help you achieve that fast and quick website. So thank you for watching this video, and please subscribe and like and share. I love you guys. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video I'm going to be teaching you guys the plugins, the necessary plugins that we need to begin our creation of our website. So the last video, you guys remember that we installed the Extra theme and then activated it. So now we have a theme installed on our WordPress, and then we visit here by right clicking. We notice that the front end has changed. So what we're going to do now is we're going to go back to the back end and then install the plugins that we want to use and design our website. Now we're going to over these plugin areas and go to add new plugins. First, the essential plugins that we need before we start our design is called a classic editor. This is it. Classic editor plugin enables the previous classic editor. Okay, this classic editor helps you make things look more easier for you. Now I'm going to show you the reason why we need this classic editor in just a few seconds. If we go to our pages and click on pages, you get to see all the default pages here. We don't need this, so we're going to select bulk and apply to move to trash. Now we're going to add a new page, so you guys will see the reason why we need the classic editor. Click on add new page. So it opens this way. We don't need it to be this way. We don't need this editor to be, we don't need this area to be this way. So if we go back and to the plugin area and then add new plugin and search for our classic editor, and then install it and activate it. So we successfully activated this classic editor. So we go back to this page again and add new page. So you see how it looks like. It looks more organized. It looks more easy to navigate. If you can see it now, it's very easy for you to know what to do here. That is the essential reason why we need a classic editor. So now we're going back to add the other plugins that we need in creating our website. So go to add new plugins. We are going to search for what is called a starter template. A starter template is where you can be able to find a pre-built website that enables you to do whatever you want to do without having headache of creating from scratch. But this pre-built website, it's there to help you modify and edit and then publish to the people to see what you have. You can be able to modify it on your own. So if you want to achieve that, you need this starter template. So we click on install and activate. It's going to take you to the starter templates area, so you can choose what you want to do. So in this area, it will ask you, would you like to build your website? That's a question. If you want to use the AI area, or you want to use the classic starter templates. So the AI area is you trying to build your websites with an AI. For this area, it's begin with the website building process with our extensive library. Like this library, it's already built templates that you can just install on your website, and it's going to be displayed as already built, like on your website. You don't have to stress, you don't have to use code, you don't have to start from scratch. It's already pre-built. So that is the area you are lucky. You can get any template you want. So what we're going to do is that we'll click on this build with template, and now on that template area, they will ask you to select your page builder. A page builder is what you use in designing your website, like an Elementor page builder. Elementor page builder, it's a page builder that enables you to build a website from scratch. It's very accessible. It's just a drag and drop application that helps you make a beautiful website. So when we dive into the creation of a website, I'm going to make a video where I use Elementor page builder to start a website from scratch. But this video now, I'm trying to give you guys a loophole in case you don't have time to build a website from scratch. You can equally use this special templates pre-built websites to kickstart your website journey. And then with more tips, I'm going to give you guys a full tutorial on how to build a website from scratch with Elementor page builder. So we're not using this block editor. This is a WordPress page builder, but we're not using it. We're using this Elementor page builder because it's fast and it's accessible. So we'll click on Elementor, and it's going to load our pre-built website for us, so we can be able to select the one we want. So this is a pre-built website. What type of website are you building? So here you can select the kind of website you want. They have business, they have local business, they have personal care, they have professionals, they have personal sites, they have community, they have e-commerce, and they have blog websites. So depending on what you want to build, there you can get any kind of website you want. And mind you, they have on this platform, they have a free pre-built website and they have premium website. So you are not expected to get like all free templates. Like if you're seeing here, you're seeing a tag on top of it that says premium. It's not that you cannot see the live demo of this premium website, but you don't have access to it if you are not on a premium package. So I'm going to show you how to differentiate the premium and the free website. Over here now, this is a free website, but this area with a premium tag is a premium website. So depending on what you want to build, you can select a beauty, salon, fitness, yoga, spa, and massage. So depending on the kind of website you are looking for. Over here you can see electrician, plumber, all kind of websites you're looking for is here. It depends on the one you want. If it's not categorized under premium, then you're good to go. But if it's categorized under premium, that means you need to purchase that. But what we're going to be doing now is to look for something very easy that is not under premium that we can be able to work with. What we can be able to work with. What we can be able to work with. I'm glad that you guys are seeing how sleeky and beautiful this website looks like. Over here, you don't have to stress yourself to think on how to begin your journey of creating a website. So you can start by using this, and when the time comes, you can decide on what you want to build from scratch. Why I'm showing you this is that you can be able to land a client and tell a client that you are going to give them a sophisticated website. Meanwhile, you are not the one creating it. You just come here and take these templates and modify them and make a very good sleeky website, and your clients are going to be wowed by seeing all this website. Are you seeing this? If you look at this website, it's very sleeky. It's a 4-page website, and it's so beautiful that your clients will be wowed, and they will recommend you to a lot of people. They're going to recommend you to a lot of people. So over here is for us to do a little customizing. The customizing that we're doing here is you changing your logo, but you can do that after installing this website. It's not really a problem about changing logos. You can actually do that when you are done and when you choose. So over here we change fonts. Choose to change fonts of the website to the fonts that you like, and the color palette here, you can change the color design of the website. You can choose the comfortable color that you are comfortable with, and that is all about it. You can choose to upload your logo here, but I don't have any logo now to upload, so that is it about it. And after that, you click on continue. Now on this area, select the features you want to be displayed on your website. Now you want the e-commerce to sell products. You want the page builder. Already selected that Elementor page builder. And now the website is coming with the page builder Elementor. It's coming with contact form. It's coming with website email and SMTP. So if you want it to come with a donation, you can click that, but we don't want all this, so we are going on continue. So over here, they are going to ask you to put in your name. Tell us a little bit about yourself. Put in your name, your email, but it's optional. I guess it's optional. If you don't want it, you cannot put it. You get? If you don't want it, it's not necessary, so you can just click on submit. and now we're building your website. It doesn't really take time to install this on your website, so we have to wait for it to get installed. Have to wait for it to get installed. So if you've not subscribed to our channel, please kindly hit the subscribe button and share this video for a lot of people that has not been exposed in creating a website. It's not really hard. It's really not hard. It's just the step-by-step guidance and you are already there. So I promise to drop a lot of videos that's going to be helpful for you guys and able to achieve your dream on creating a very beautiful website that you would love. So congratulations, we have installed our pre-built template. So now what we're going to do is for us to visit our website. So we'll right click. Okay, we'll click on visit. So we'll wait for it to load. So under how many seconds we are able to achieve this beautiful looking website, under how many seconds you were able, I think 25 seconds, you were able to achieve this beautiful website, and you can be able to use this website and land your first client. Can be able to use this website to land your first client. All you need to do is a little bit of editing, and you're good to go. You are good to go. So this is your first website that you successfully created, and I want to congratulate you guys that is following up on this video. That stick with me and you're going to learn a lot more on how to create a sleeky design just like this. You have a website of your own. So in my next video, I'm going to show you guys on how to edit this beautiful website and change what you want to change on it, to put the necessary information you want to put on it. So over there on my next video, I hope to see you guys there. So hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell for more videos. Thank you guys and have a wonderful day.